8:10. Shachris tomorrow morning is 9:15, and Mincha tomorrow is 7, and Marv tomorrow night is, and Shachris on Shabbos, Shachris on Sunday morning is 8:30. The rest of the week we're calling for 8 o'clock. We did have minyan this week, Monday and Thursday, and we're hoping maybe to get things better. We'll learn a little bit. Today happens to be the yard site of one of my holy ancestors, who was the Nikolsberger Rav, Rebbe Shimshon Buchrach, who was the son of the holy Chavos Yoyer. The Chok brings a halakha in the Rambam Hilchos Shabbos, a kesher kesher shel chayama u'ma'aseh uman chayav. When it comes to Hilchos Shabbos, that if someone ties a knot that's a permanent knot, and it's a professional knot, like kugoyin kesher gamolim kesher saponim kesher tzuis minal v'sanol shekosher notzanim b'shasas yasin. So what are examples of professional knots? Would be a camel's knot. The camel riders, they would actually tie through their nose and make a knot that would stay forever, and it's like a permanent piercing type. And what? No, he doesn't. So, and then the knots of sailors, because when they would tie the sails, and also when they would tie shoes together, the way that they would make sandals in the old days, and that these were permanent knots, and so to anything similar to that, then he's chayav. Then meaning it's an iser d'oraisa, it's a Torah prohibition. However, if one makes a permanent knot that's not a professional knot, it's potter. So what does potter mean? Potter abel aser. When the Rambam says one is exempt from punishment, it's still nonetheless an iser d'rabbanan, and you're not allowed to do it. The example would be any double knots in a shoelace, or tying tzitzis. The double knots, even though they're professional people who make tzitzis, we know they come apart, so it's not even really a permanent knot. It's ke'ein a kesher shel kayama, so therefore it's still usher. You're not allowed to do it. It's an iser d'rabbanan. Bekesher she'ein shel kayama ve'eino ma'aseh uman mutar l'kosher l'chadchila. But if it's an impermanent knot, that it's neither professional nor permanent, just like tying your shoes, or single knot, tying together even a single tie on a garbage. So on the garbage bag, you shouldn't make a double tie. That would be an iser d'rabbanan, and that would be permanent because nobody wants to open those up generally. But a single knot or single tie, it's permitted in the first place. There's no issue with that. All right, Rebbe Nana ben Akash Hermer to Kadosh Baruch Hu L'Zakei Yisrael Leficha Chibur L'Mtir Shenamar Adonai Chavetz L'Man Sidkai Yagdil Torah.